It has to be something you eat.
I've been doing all that and I wasn't even recording. I'm not used to using the recorder. Oh, I've got some good pictures on a flash disc of me with the coons. Oh yeah, you got to, how's that apple? We got to do our apple routine again. Have they did they taste test it? Look, you done got my keyboards changed. You got it on the emoticons. You got the little aminals and all up. You pretty good. You gonna call China? Huh? How's that taste? They didn't taste test it, did they? We'll send them our what is that called? Our review, and see how it is. Who you gonna call?
Everything goes.
Who you gonna call? You calling Daddy? Say, hello, Daddy. Where are you? I in Louisiana. Yes.